just to kind of build the field, I think it would be really lovely if we can all get our voices into the space. So I'm going to ask just if folks feel comfortable. I would love to see your beautiful faces. So if you're able, please show, I don't know, take off, I can't think of the words. Show your beautiful face and take off the Zoom thing, but if you're in a place you can't, it's totally okay. And we're just gonna go around, I guess, like first person will popcorn and then pass it to the next. And I'm asking for names, pronouns, and one word of the benefits or blessings that rest brings into your world. I'll put it in the chat too. And now bring your awareness to your feet. How are you showing up there? Now I invite you to notice your body as a whole. Just notice what changes, maybe some gentle undulations come in. Just allow whatever's here to be here. And I'd like for you to notice an area, perhaps in your body, on your body, or around in the space around you that feels good or neutral. Neutral if you can't find an area that feels good. And once you have identified that area, I just want you to hold your awareness there as I prepare the energetic space. Allow yourself to notice what feels good about that spot. What does it remind you of? And let it be an anchor to you. And just as a heads up, I'm going to be narrating what I see happening in our collective field. However, if it doesn't resonate with your experience, feel free to be with your experience. And sometimes if you pop out of the experience, my voice or narration might be an anchor to you. So I'm asking and intending in a way that is source aligned for our collective group. To invite in rest, relaxation, and rejuvenation in the way that each of us individually needs it and collectively needs it. In a way that's source aligned, well paced, and for the greatest good of each of us here and all beings. Ashe. And just notice what emerges within you as that intention is set. I'm going to call forth just our source aligned spirits, allies, to support with this intention, those that are most appropriate for this moment to be here with us. And perhaps you start to notice a small vibration in your center. Small, but in its own way, strong and deep. Dancing around your midline. Wherever it's dancing in your system. Almost kind of dark and gray in color. And moving out expansively. Weaving itself through your energy field. Just lightly spiraling in the darkness. And perhaps you begin to notice another energy, also dark and blue. Just also moving through your center column. These energies weaving themselves through your space. And bringing forth with them a lightness, levity. A deeper capacity to receive. And now I invite you to notice golden gridded light, like threads moving through the space you're in. Kind of oozy, sticky, honey-like. Filling you up. And the space around you. Maybe you feel them in your feet, in your midline, in your pelvis. It's slow and gentle. And spiraling around your heart. Maybe moving to the space around your arms. Slow spirals, gentle. Honey-like strands in the darkness of existence.